Hey there, Saurabh Bhatnagar this side, and today I am going to demonstrate a wonderful app which is Recastly. Now, I am liking this app particularly. That's because I do Facebook videos, and I know that videos are the best thing to promote your content on Facebook or anywhere, or even to sell my product, right? On the sales videos everywhere. So, the number one problem that I faced on Facebook was that my videos were never playing the sound, and it is by default setting in Facebook that in Facebook the videos never play along with the sound, and that's why a lot of major companies always used to have subtitles in their videos. Now we don't have so many resources to have subtitles in our every video, so that was a major problem. But now this problem has been solved by a wonderful app which is Vcastly. Just have a look how this app works. So number one thing is we will click on create project, and we will say, let's say, YouTube Rahul. Alright, and I will click on click here to edit. Now I will say I have to upload a video over here, so I can upload the video using YouTube URL or Facebook URL or Vimeo URL, and last I can upload it from the computer. So I can go ahead with any of the options. What I have seen and what I know is YouTube URL is the fastest way of working with Recastly. So this is the YouTube URL which I want to select over here, and I will click on generate subtitle automatically. Now the wonderful part is that I can generate the subtitles not only in the language in which the video has been created. In fact, the subtitles can be created in any language. So this video is in English, but I can create the subtitles in any language. Alright, so as of now I will go with English. Alright, and I will click on save, and next step I will move myself over here. Okay, so we will allow it few seconds, and in the next screen we will see all the subtitles will be up. Alright, so we have the subtitles, and I will bring myself over here once again. Now just have a look. So we have the subtitles over here. We don't need this. Okay, so we don't want to write music, so music won't come, right? We want to select the subtitles text editor, so the font size will be 20 and let it be as it is. And we can do multiple settings. For example, let's say if you want to change the grammatical errors, so the video with subtitles is correct up to 99%, and other than that we will have to do a few minor adjustments, right? Right, so it is all good. So this is something which you can do by yourself, right? Okay, so I will go ahead and click on next step, and okay, so we are into next step. Now what we have is we have multiple video types. So for example, standard, vertical, top and bottom, top and only bottom. Now this is something which is very popular on social media, right? Russell Munson uses it. A lot of top major companies are using this particular format. So I can go ahead and select this one, or I can go ahead and select this one, or any format which I may like. So let's say if I select this one, right? So the top text is management lessons from Bahubali. It is a famous Indian movie on which this particular video has been made, right? And I will cancel this. We don't need any watermark. Burn subtitles into video, of course. And what I like is line by line. Okay, and we have subtitle templates over here, so we can have subtitles in these formats, or we can have subtitles as the normal format like we have over here, right? And we can of course play around with this, right? So we want to play with the templates, we can do that, or we can go to other settings. So for example, if you want to select the font, so let's say we select this particular font, all right, and let's say the size to be of this color. Background setting, if you want any other color, we can have any other color over here, or if you want black, we can come back. And I guess this is good. We can change the color of this. So let's say, no, this is not looking good. Okay. Okay, so let's say we select this particular font. Again, not looking good. Yeah, this one is fine. And screen size to be 40. Now this is perfect. And let's say the color should be, I mean, you can play around with this, right? Or you can change this color also. So whatever color difference that you want to do. So this is just for demo, right? And I will click on next step. Now, one more particularly important step, and I mean, through this step, you can promote your content in any part of the world, and that is, you can also use the voiceovers, right? You can also use the voiceovers, and the voiceovers can be used not just in the English language, it can also be used in Swedish, Turkish, Japanese, Romanian, Portuguese, Brazilian, Polish, Dutch, which means it can be translated to any language. So your video can be translated to any language, number one, and it can be translated, it can have subtitles from any language. So your content is now able to go into any part of the world, and you can have leverage sales traffic from anywhere in the world. I mean, this is seriously powerful, right? You can have the pitch, you can have the volume. I mean, if I say, if I want to have US English, let's say if I have a video in Hindi, and if I want to translate it in English and have Joanna to do it for me, which is who is a female, if I want to play the sample video, so this is Joanna, all right, and that's it. Okay, so I won't select use voiceover, and I will click on next step. That's it. So now everything is done, everything is done in front of your eyes, and I can upload the video to YouTube, I can have it on Facebook, I can get myself a download link. So I guess I will go with this option, and I will type a email ID over here. Okay, so share the video with me on this particular email ID, and I will click on next step. Alright, so congratulations, your video is now processing, and they will inform me as soon as the video is ready. And if I go back to dashboard, I can reuse this video as many times as I can. One particular flaw which I found, so I have to be honest, and that was when I uploaded my video from the desktop, it didn't render. So I tried it multiple times. As you can see, two of my drafts, I tried it multiple times, but my uploaded video did not render. So this is something which I found. Maybe the guys are of course working on it. I know the vendor, I trust the vendor, and I know that he would be working on it. But in any case, we have the alternative, and the alternative is that we can any day, rather than uploading the video over here, I can upload the video directly to YouTube, and then I will put the YouTube URL over here, because it is easily fetching the video from YouTube. So any day we have the solution, right? So that's how simply we can have the subtitles and the voiceover in any language on our videos. Pretty simple, pretty cool. That's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.